Hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital kerajaan.
Government hospital.
Hospital swasta.
Private hospital.
Klinik.
Clinic.
Klinik kerajaan.
Government clinic.
Klinik swasta.
Private clinic.
Klinik kesihatan.
Health clinic.
Kecemasan.
Emergency.
Talian kecemasan.
Emergency line.
Ambulans.
Ambulance.
Sakit.
Sick. Or pain.
Pesakit.
Patient.
Kesakitan.
Pain.
Penyakit.
Disease. Or illness.
Jangkitan.
Infection.
Sehat.
Healthy.
Kesihatan.
Health.
Ubat.
Medicine.
Vitamin.
Vitamin.
Perubatan.
Medical.
Preskripsi.
Prescription.
Sijil perubatan.
Medical certificate.
MC. Surat doktor.
Medical certificate.
Cuti sakit.
Medical leave.
Doktor.
Doctor.
Doktor gigi.
Dentist.
Pegawai perubatan.
Medical officer.
Jururawat.
Nurse.
Misi.
Nurse.
Pemeriksaan.
Check up.
Kemalangan.
Accident.
Darah.
Blood.
Do support me by sharing, commenting, clicking that like button, and definitely subscribing to the channel so that you will be notified every time I put up a new lesson. Terima kasih.
Berdarah.
Bleeding.
Derma darah.
Blood donation.
Tekanan.
Pressure. Or stress.
Tekanan darah.
Blood pressure.
Tulang.
Bone.
Patah tulang.
Broken bone.
Lebam.
Bruise.
Terbakar.
Burnt.
Insurans.
Insurance.
Insuran kesihatan.
Health insurance.
Kit pertolongan cemas,
First aid kit.
kain pembalut,
Bandage.
dibalut,
Bandaged.
jahitan,
Stitches. Or suture.
luka,
Wound.
luka jahitan,
Suture wound.
plaster luka,
Band-aid.
suhu.
Temperature.
And with that, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned something useful, and as usual, if you don't understand anything from the lesson, please write me a comment, and I will try to answer them to my best abilities. Thank you so much, and until next time, till we meet again, sampai jumpa lagi.